So in the last video we saw how we attach resources, how we created resources and attach into a resource group. So let's see how we can create multiple resource group and attach multiple resources corresponding to each resource groups. So currently we have only one resource group, and under this resource group we have these two resources. One is Azure Data Factory, another is storage account. So let's create a new storage group. Okay, let me close this one. So let me go back to my home menu. This is my home portal, right? And here you can either search for a resource group, or here I can see resource group is already there, so no need to search, just click on the resource groups. So currently under the resource group we have only one resource group, so let's just create another resource group. So just click on that create, and subscription is pay as you go. You can select from the drop down if you have multiple subscription. And resource group, I'll call it as 𝗦𝘁𝗂𝗃 YouTube resource group, and region I'll select as South India because this region is nearer to me. And simply click on next, review plus create, and click on create. It will create a new resource group for you, and it got created so quick, guys. So this resource group got created, and unfortunately we don't have any resources because we have not associated any resources inside this resource group. So we need to create a resource and associate with this resource group. So what we can do, there are two ways. First way is from here itself, just click on this create, and you can select the resources which you want. You can choose from marketplace. There are tons of resources which are available, which are provided by Azure, like Twilio, SendGrid, Azure Monitoring, Storage Account, Azure Data Breaks in Apps Analytics. So let me search for data breaks, Azure Data Breaks. Okay, so from here you can create a resources, but yeah, so from here you can create a resource, but I'm not going to create this resource for now. Let me create 𝗬𝗏 a resource for now. Okay, so let's just search for 𝗬𝗏. What 𝗬𝗏 is, I'll explain you in the upcoming lessons, but for now this the intention is to show you how we can create multiple resource group and how we can associate resources within that. So this is my 𝗬𝗏, and just click on this create followed by 𝗬𝗏, the name of the resource. This is one way, right? And another way already I have explained you. Just search in the search bar with any resource name, and then you can click on create. Anyway, that's fine. So my subscription is pay as you go, resource group is 𝗦𝘁𝗂𝗃, and give a name. So I'll call it as video 𝗬𝗏. Okay, and region I'll select as South India, and then pricing tier I'll go with a standard one. Okay, if you select premium you have to pay a bit higher cost, so I'll go with the standard one, and soft delete enabled in 90 days. That's fine, we will look into these things later. Configuration and all we don't want now, for now. So just click on next, and click on review plus create, and it will create a resource for you. Currently it is validating. Once it's get validated we would be able to create a resource. It got validated, so just click on this create button. So our resource got created, so just click on this go to resource. So this is my resource, and if you observe here, the name of the resource group is 𝗦𝘁𝗂𝗃. So now let's get back to resource group, and now if I click on this resource group I will be able to see the two resource group name. So let's first click on this the first resource group. If we click on this first resource group, we would be able to see two resources which are associated with this one, which are attached to this resource group. One is a data factory, another is storage account. Now if I click on this resource group, I will be able to see only one resource that just now we created, 𝗬𝗏. I hope now it's got cleared the what is resource, right? What are resources, what are resource groups, what are subscription and management groups. Everything is managed by management group. I hope now it got cleared, right? Okay, cool. So yeah, that's it. We'll see in the next video. Bye bye.